Right guys, and quick hi everyone, this is me Racing Wolf. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, DriftLimits, this is where I am, the place where you can try any supercar, drift car. I mean, they have loads of things up here, but today we're not going to speak about everything because we're here to test one of these supercars. Well, I don't know if the WRX is a supercar, but definitely cool car. Again, I don't know which one I'm going to drive here. I choose the one cars, but as far as I understood, it's going to be selected different cars, so I don't know which one I'm driving. So you know what, let's go straight into the car and we will find out what car I'm driving right now. Yeah, very short intro, let's go.
Keys are up on the right hand side there.
Here it is.
That's it, pop it into the ignition.
Into ignition.
Clutch all the way down. There you go, it's in neutral I think. There we go. Engine on. I'll just adjust my mirrors so I can see. So don't worry about checking your mirrors, I'll take care of that for you, alright?
Yep.
Right, so when you're ready, pop it into first gear. There you go, handbrake down. When you're ready, we'll pull forward over to the orange cones over there. And just make a stop here for a second. Right, when you're ready, we're good to go. So once you're in third gear, you can stay in third gear. That's it, into second, up to third. Follow round to the left, through the green flags. Once you've straightened up, feed in the power down the straight. Onto the brakes and the braking board, lift off the brakes and the turning cone into the right, keep it tight to the right round here, and as this grass starts disappearing, drift out towards the left, through the middle, into the right here, and then cutting straight across into the left, through the middle, lift off the power a touch now, into the left, onto the brakes here, lift off into the right, drift out wide to the left, keep about this sort of distance from them, and hopefully on the next lap they'll pull in for us. There you go. So after your first lap, what's your impressions of this one so far?
Subaru?
Yeah.
I never driven it before. It's I mean, we had a slow lap, yeah, but it feels really cool, especially with driving all the way on third gear. Definitely. And it's a boxer engine, isn't it?
Yes, I believe so.
2 litre, or 2.5?
Yeah, it could be 2. I think it might be 2.5. Yeah.
Yeah, it should be 2.5. Is that WRX?
Yeah, it's WRX STI.
So it's a 2.45 turbo.
Yeah. There you go. Power on down the straight. Onto the brakes. At the turning cone into the right. Keep about this sort of distance. I'm hoping they're going to pull in for us.
One of them, yes.
One of them, and then hopefully the next after. That's it. Through the middle. To the right, following to the left, through the middle, into the next left, onto the brakes, lift off into the right, there we go, and then power on down the straight, onto the brakes, that's it, slowing it down for this corner coming up. To the right, then back through the middle, into the left. Once you've straightened up, power on down the straight, onto the brakes now, hard on the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, into the left a little bit, and then back through the middle, so come off the power a bit, just because it's on wet tyres, it's quite screechy. We're not actually allowed to make much tyre noise, we've got to try and reduce it as much as possible.
Got it.
Most of the cars are on slicks though, so when we get onto them you'll find that they'll grip up and they'll make like no tyre noise at all. There you go. Power on down the straight. Onto the brakes. Nice one. And then slowing it down a touch for this corner. Into the
I'm listening for the tires.
So I can hear them. They're going to make a little bit of noise anyways. It's virtually impossible to keep them quiet on such a warm day as well. Going into the left. Once you've straightened up, power down the straight. Onto the brakes here. Lift off into the right. Keep it tight to the right. Drift out to the left. Keep about this sort of distance. Through the middle. Into the right. Follow into the left. Through the middle. Into the next left. That's it. Into the right. Out to the left. Cut your line across the middle. Feed it the power down the straight. Right. Nice one. So a lot of people don't actually pick this car as well. So I normally suggest
The Subaru?
yeah, especially when it's a little bit damp as well. When it's not so dry, I normally suggest it to people because they're unsure of what it is. To them
is
it
it?
doesn't look.
I mean, it's a 4x4, it's a cool car.
Yeah, but for them it doesn't look like much because it's not like they don't see it as like a supercar. But the power appliance is really nice on it. Onto the brakes, lift off into the right, keep it tight to the right, drift out to the left, then through the middle, into the right, follow into the left, through the middle, lift off the power touch into the left. Onto the brakes here, lift off the brakes into the right, out to the left. Hopefully they pull in for us. There we go, we're good to go. Power down the straight. Onto the brakes now. Nice one.
This is amazing car, mate.
It really is. It's perfect all year round as well. That's what I like.
Subaru, I love it. Are you doing winter time? Oh yeah, you do winter time.
Yeah, all through winter. So wait till you've straightened up. Power down the straight. Onto the brakes now, hard on the brakes, lift off into the right. That's it, keep it tight to the right. Drift out to the left a bit, and then through the middle. Into the right. Follow into the left. Through the middle, lift off the power into the next left. Onto the brakes here. Lift off into the right. Out to the left. Cut your line across the middle, power down the straight. Onto the brakes now. Slowing it down a touch for this corner. There you go. Into the right. We'll go around for one more lap in this car. Back through the middle. Into the left. Wait till you've straightened up. Power down the straight. Onto the brakes here. Hard braking. Lift off into the right. So you want to try and turn a bit more gradually into there, because in some of the cars, if you try and throw it in, it unsettles them quite a bit.
Yeah, on the rear wheel, yeah.
A tiny little bit, a bit earlier, and then lift off at just before the cone, and then at the cone you can then turn nice and smoothly all in at once.
Got it.
We're doing well though, doing very well.
Thank you.
Into the right.
Sorry, I just knew that this is 4x4.
That's right. It does. It handles incredibly.
Yeah, it's very friendly car.
There you go. Power on down the straight. Onto the brakes. Nice one.
Woohoo! That's why we have a Scooby here.
Yeah,
Nice one. Thank you very much, mate.
that's right. When you're ready, we'll
That
back
is-
in through this first entrance here. Park it anywhere along on the right hand side.
On the right-hand side, yeah?
Where the white markings are on the floor. There you go. Clutch as well.
Oh, that's my
There you
bad
go,
with the
one way of turning it
clutch.
all.
That is my clutch.
Hey, that's alright.
Do you want me straight on the wheel?
That's all good. We're in a not too bad of a place anyways. Handbrake up. And then just pop the key up in the window there.
Here we go. Thank you.
No
Can
worries.
you say to my viewers to hit the like and subscribe?
Yeah guys, hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, be prepared for the rest of the cars we're about to go out in and
In the next video.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries.
Okay, guys. I never thought that I'm gonna say you that Subaru can be supercar, but yes, it is. It is. It's such an interesting handling. Such a, responsive, yes twitchy, yes slidey. Well, first of all, we've been driving on a wet tires. I don't know if you can see, if camera can pick it up, but look, we've been driving on a wet tires, and it still was doing good job. I could control it even in a slide. You know, I'm not a proper drifter at all. I don't know how to drift at all. Maybe I need to start drifting. Well, they have a drifting up there, just up there, so maybe I need to do that. Leave in the comments down below. Also, if you like this beauty Subaru, hit the like button. Also, if you like the video, hit the like button. Leave a comment about this Subaru. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, this is a DriftLimits. You always can come here and try any of these beauties. We still have loads of cars ahead, guys, with you. This was only number 1. And guys, as usual, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to share the video, okay? Now I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya!